Hello everyone, welcome back to the BloxyDev YouTube channel where we learn about coding and scripting in a quite simple way. The reason I'm talking weird is because I have something in my mouth called twin blocks, which is going to help bring my jaw forward before I get braces eventually. So if I sound weird and struggle speaking, just ignore that. I might put the word on the screen that I'm trying to say if it's comes up terribly. And today we're learning about something called instances. An instance is basically when you spawn an object into the world using a script. So what we're first going to do, we're going to go over to server script service and add a script. Delete print hello world and let's go scripting. You would usually do instance.new and in the brackets put speech marks and put part if you want to spawn a part, but there's loads of other things you can spawn. However, that's not a very good way of doing it. What you should be doing is making the instance a variable. So we're going to do local my instance equals instance.new part. But this won't spawn a part in the world because the script doesn't know where to put the part. So what you're going to have to do is say my instance.parent equals game.workspace. This means that the parent of the instance will be in the workspace, so the part will spawn here. What I do usually like to do though is instead of writing all that out, I put a comma after that and put game.workspace. That will still spawning in the game.workspace. So now if we press run, there should be a part spawning in somewhere. Here we go. There's a part. Now we've learnt about properties before. If you want to change the property of an instance, you just do the exact same thing. My instance.transparency equals 0.5. My instance.brickcolor equals brickcolor.new. And if you don't know how to do properties, you should look at one of my last videos where I explain it all. Let's do my instance.size equals vector3.new 555. So we've edited our part a bit. Let's see what it's done. There we go. And just to prove to you that it genuinely spawns it in and I'm just not placing it in before we press run, I'm going to do a wait 3 seconds. So it'll wait 3 seconds and then after that it'll do this. So when I press run, okay, nothing's here and then it suddenly appeared. That is pretty much it for instances. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.